Here, push down. Yeah, I was gonna push up. Nice. Man, look at that. No rust on it. Pretty good.
It's coming out. All right, guys. Which one's worse? Let's do a comparison. Hang on. Watch this. Let me grab this. Look at my gloves, guys.
Yep.
Look. Ah.
And it doesn't much help.
All right, passenger or driver, which one's worse? I'm gonna say the passenger, because think about it. If you're in the left and the right lane,
yeah, you're
always in
potholes.
yeah, this is the more whole line. Okay, so this is the passenger side, driver side. Let's see the test. Ready? They're almost even.
Yeah.
It literally was like, I mean, these aren't gone, but they're pretty worn out. I would say they're like more than half life gone. Anyway, out with the old, in with the new. Let's do it. I'm gonna take the gloves off for the ice.
A hockey puck came in handy.
Yeah, the hockey puck was awesome.
And finally got him.
It really came in handy. Here's the new one.
Look at that.
Brand new. I'm putting it in just like just like it goes. It goes right like that. Okay. I go in from this direction, up and over. I'm gonna go ahead and start. Actually, hang on. Before I do this, let me just wipe the inside of there.
I'm a big fan of cleaning it while it's up.
I did it to the driver's side. Let me do it to the passenger. I wanted to just clean the mating surface a little. There's just a bunch of gunk. There we go. That was all gunk. Son of a gun. Look at that. Damn. It is filthy. There we go. So, what is the plan for your car? You want to do shocks soon?
Yeah, probably. I fear every time I hit a pothole, it's going to break the windshield.
Yeah. That is a nightmare fear. Let me just clean.
I also want to get mud flaps.
Yeah.
I'm sick of the rocks coming up and hitting the car.
Keep the car cleaner.
Yeah.
I'm trying to clean the threads a little. Let me spray a little WD on here. This one's a little dirty. I do have a tripod if you want to set that up. Good.
Yeah. No, that's fine. Unless you need the help with the...
I guess, yeah.
Man, this work looked good.
Yeah.
So what's your first...
The only thing I'm concerned is, like look at this one.
Yeah.
You see how this one actually went in and up?
Yeah, into it.
Like, it looks like it's so much better protection.
Yeah, designed-wise.
This one doesn't have that.
No.
I'm using it the way they have it. I don't know. I don't like it. Because, you know, I would prefer there to be more protection. And then this one goes on top. Let me go ahead and support the A-arm now. Well, let me put the bottom bolts in.
Yeah, it seems more free-moving, this one.
Yeah.
The other one seemed more pushed in.
Right. So, I don't know. I'm going to test drive it. If I like the way it drives, the way it is, I'll keep it. If I do not, I'll easily put the other one, this one back in.
Yeah.
This one I can easily do with the tire on the car. I don't have to take it off, I don't think. Yeah, because it's... I might have to take off the tire, actually. But let me start threading this back in. Like so.
They're off.
Huh?
I'm like, the gloves are off.
Yeah, I took the gloves off. I know. They were so dirty
Yep.
that I was like, I have to do it this way. Make sure. I'm not gonna full on tighten it, I'm just gonna get it started. And then I slowly start to tighten it all up. Here's this side. I can't see, so I'm gonna get down in it. There it is. And I don't know about you guys, but I usually do hand tools for everything. I don't have impacts and all that. I'm old school here.
And the worst part is doing it in the street, like on a curved surface.
Yeah.
It's the worst.
Come on.
And so far we're big fans of tires, suspension, just things that touch the ground, and like a steering wheel. Anything that meets your hands to the road.
I know, look at that wheel.
It basically, anything that you touch is improved, basically. Like, the tires are everything. Literally, tires are where you get everything.
Yeah, they are. It's funny, I see people online, you know, they're like taking their chances driving like a 10-year-old tire. It's like, what are you thinking? I know a guy who had a ZL1. He's out there driving around with like over 10-year-old tires. It's like, what are you thinking? You got a nice prize like a ZR1 and you're here driving with tires dangerous. That are super dangerous?
Yeah, super dangerous.
I mean, guys, Paul Walker, guy lost his life. Those tires on that Porsche were really old. That's a bad thing. Tires, here, let me, hold on. I'm gonna loosen it just a little, and then I will push it up.
The bird came in, no.
Where?
None. Just looking at something. Up, yep.
Right there, right?
Yep.
There we go. Oh, it's actually fine. I think I could just tighten it, actually. Here, I'll just tighten it. Not all
it's
the
a
way,
little...
but...
Here.
What?
Oh, there. Here, I'm putting it...
Okay.
In the, it's actually... Do you have to put it like this, or is it good?
It should, when I jack up the car,
yeah.
I'm done. You can let it go.
Yeah, it's good. Didn't need to be center.
Okay, I'm laying all over this,
Yeah.
Okay, now, let me finish this off. It's pretty much done, guys.
Yeah, good view on this.
Yeah, push it in.
Yeah, I don't want the threads to be dragged.
A little that way? Okay. Okay, and then this goes like this.
There's dirt up there. A lot of dirt.
Oh yeah, hang on.
A lot of dirt. Nice.
There we go.
Cool.
And then this goes like so. And then this guy goes on top like this. Oh, hang on. Let's not forget this. Now the key is, you're supposed to, see how much easier this one is? This has the Allen head that goes in the top. See? And now we don't have to struggle. Look at that. And I'm gonna let it touch that thing and let the wall hold it, guys. There you go, see? That's it. See how easy this one is compared to the other design? Now I got weight on the jack. You're supposed to jack it up like it's the tires on, guys. See? Get that jack under the A-arm. Jack it up a few notches. And then you can start doing this. Here, show them this, and this bushing, you're not supposed to have it where it's edging past the metal. You want it just before it's edging past the metal, if that makes sense. But this is it, guys. This is how you do shocks. It's real simple. I did it live, no editing, and yeah, Gearhead Abe wrenching away here. And that's it. See how it's starting to bubble a little bit? Almost out. I'm gonna do a few more turns and then stop. And then I'm gonna take it for a ride, come back, and then we'll adjust as we need it.
It settles in.
Yeah, you're gonna have to come back and take a look. I'm gonna stop right there for now. And I'm gonna go ahead and make sure the bottoms are tight. I'm just gonna snug the bottom up until I can get the right torque on it. So, okay. Because I don't know the torque, inch to foot-pounds and all that. These weren't even on there that tight. I remember when I took them off, I was a little shocked that they weren't on tighter. These bottom shock bolts. Okay, I think that's it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and end it. I don't know how long the video's been shooting. Probably over 15 minutes, 20 minutes. I don't know. That's it, guys. I got my shocks now. Getting this thing slowly road wet ready. Basically, next thing I'm gonna do is probably gonna be the brakes.
Let's see.
They're getting worn out. Where I think next summer. They're okay for now. The car seems to be stopping, but I think I'm gonna freshen them up next summer. Everything else on the car's been working great. Everything.
Yeah, I got this fixed recently.
Yep, we did the back. The car doesn't leak water anymore, guys.
That's a big fix.
Yeah, huge fix.
Look how pristine.
It used to leak right in the corner.
Dude, this thing is in there.
See, it is getting a little,
yeah, a little.
just there. That's the only,
That is nice.
yeah, this kind of got bubbled in a little.
Yeah. I wonder, is just heat related probably?
I don't know.
Or just,
How it got smushed.
yeah.
I think
well, that
it's,
side looks a little.
yeah, that side looks worse. I don't know
yeah,
why.
This looks fine.
Yeah, the thing is, I shut this hood and I never,
Yeah.
I didn't open it for like 2 weeks.
Yeah.
I don't know if that had anything
I
to
don't
do
know.
with it, but
Maybe.
here, I'll shut it. But yeah, that's,
Pretty good.
it's a good job.
That was a good work.
Okay. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the tire back on, but I just want to say I'm happy. I'm happy that I bought this thing last year, and I'm happy that everything's been working out on it so far. I've had nothing but great luck with the car, and I put 4,000, almost 4,000 miles on it, so it's driving good.
Nice.
It's gonna drive even better now.
Yeah.
All right, you guys. This is Gearhead Abe. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you later with another video.